Hello everyone, so I have made a few purchases and these are my current Kanken collection, so let's get on to the video. I bought these from Lazada and Shopee, but do make sure to check whether they are authorized reseller. This one is a Fjallraven Kanken model in the color emerald. It is made from recycled plastic bottles and speed dyed to use less water, energy and chemicals. It is the most sustainable Kanken so far. If we do not want to use it anymore, we can just recycle it away. This Re-Kanken sizing is similar to the classic Kanken in which it fits my 13-inch laptop. However, it is recommended to have a laptop cover since this bag has no shock protection. This is said to be a safe bag. Next is Kanken card wallet in frost green. One thing to consider when buying this is that it is thicker than normal card wallet, but personally I don't mind it. Well, I haven't used it yet. Last but not the least, Fjallraven Sling. That is my current favorite Kanken. This one is in fog, and my previous purchase is in the color Graphite. Don't judge this bag by how small it looks, it actually fits a lot of stuff. I put my phone at the back of the pocket for easy access. Here. So you can also put pants here. I love it. These are my old Kanken. My first Kanken is the classic, and then I bought the mini, and not to forget the sling bag. That is all from me. Bye bye!